Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video on Europe in Detail. Today, we're heading to a place that's often overlooked but absolutely unforgettable, Yerevan, the soulful capital of Armenia. With its pink-hued buildings, ancient roots, powerful spirit, and stunning views of Mount Ararat, Yerevan is a city that deserves the spotlight. Get ready for 63 fascinating and surprising facts that will make you fall in love with this unique European gem. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Yerevan is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world. Founded in 782 BC, it predates Rome by almost 30 years. Number 2. The city's nickname is the Pink City because many of its buildings are made from volcanic tuff stone that glows pink, especially at sunset. Number 3. Yerevan has its very own version of the Cascades, a giant open-air stairway with 572 steps that climb up a hill and reward you with a breathtaking view of Mount Ararat. Number 4. Speaking of Mount Ararat, while it's technically in Turkey now, it remains a sacred national symbol of Armenia and is visible from almost every point in Yerevan on a clear day. Number 5. You can still find Soviet-era mosaics hidden in alleyways and on building walls, each telling a piece of Armenia's complex past. Number 6. In summer, city kids cool off in public fountains, and nobody seems to mind, just laughter, splashes, and sunshine. Number 7. The Blue Mosque in Yerevan is the only active mosque in Armenia, beautifully restored and a symbol of peaceful coexistence. Number 8. The city's name Yerevan may have originated from the word Erebuni, the name of the ancient fortress it grew from. Number 9. Local bakeries serve gata, a flaky pastry filled with sugary, buttery goodness. Try it warm. Number 10. The Armenian tsitsernakaberd Memorial sits on a hill overlooking the city, an incredibly moving and powerful sight to honor the past. Number 11. The Yerevan 2800 Park was built to celebrate the city's 2800th anniversary with mosaic fountains and flower-covered walkways. Number 12. Yerevan's Zhinyalov hats are a delicious flatbread stuffed with wild greens, like a mini edible bouquet. Number 13. Yerevan has a one-of-a-kind statue called the Reader, a 2-meter bronze sculpture near the Kinko Upper Library, where you can sit, read, and even access free Wi-Fi to download books from carta.am. It's the only statue in the world that helps you read millions of books, literally. Number 14. One of the most popular street snacks in Yerevan is sujuk, a string of walnuts dipped in thickened grape juice. Number 15. The Armenian History Museum in Republic Square houses artifacts dating back over 1 million years, including prehistoric tools and jewelry. Number 16. Many of Yerevan's sidewalks are made of lava stone, cool in summer and rich in volcanic minerals. Number 17. Yerevan is the only city where Latin inscriptions can be found on ATM machines, a nod to ancient tradition. Number 18. Local legend says if you throw a coin into Swan Lake and make a wish while facing Ararat, it will come true. Number 19. The city has book benches, benches shaped like open books, scattered across literary-themed parks. Number 20. Zoravor Church is one of the oldest active churches in the city, often missed by tourists but beloved by locals for its peaceful energy. Number 21. There's a massive indoor bazaar called Gum Market, where you can taste dried fruits, basturma, lavash, and fresh herbs. Locals will insist you sample everything. Number 22. Every May, Yerevan holds Wine Days, where Northern Avenue turns into one big tasting street with music and dancing. Number 23. Armenian traditional bread lavash is so central to local culture, it's inscribed on UNESCO's Intangible Heritage List. In Yerevan, you can even watch it baked fresh in underground tonneers. Number 24. You can ride hot air balloons just outside Yerevan, soaring over vineyards, lakes, and green valleys. Number 25. At the base of the Cascades, you'll find the Kafestian Center for the Arts, a modern museum featuring outdoor sculptures, including works by Botero. Number 26. Republic Square is Yerevan's beating heart, famous for its dancing fountains, neoclassical buildings, and musical light shows every evening. Number 27. The city was almost entirely redesigned during Soviet times by architect Alexander Tamanyan, who gave it its circular layout and grand boulevards. Number 28. Yerevan has a secret underground city, including tunnels, bunkers, and shelters built during the Cold War, some of which are still unexplored. Number 29. Locals are incredibly proud of their coffee, served Armenian style, thick and strong, often brewed in a jazve over hot sand. Number 30. Yerevan's fruit stands are famous, especially for selling fresh figs, mulberries, and grapes straight from local farms. Number 31. You'll find water fountains called pulpulaks throughout the city, offering fresh, clean drinking water. Just bring your bottle. Number 32. Want to say cheers in Armenian? It's kenatst, and you'll hear it often at dinners and celebrations. Number 33. The Yerevan Brandy Company is world famous. Even Winston Churchill was a fan of Armenian brandy. Number 34. Plastic bags were banned in Armenia in 2022, making Yerevan one of the first eco-friendly capitals in the region. Number 35. Want a unique souvenir? Yerevan has vintage Soviet memorabilia markets, where you can find old posters, coins, and even KGB badges. Number 36. You can see Mount Ararat reflected in Swan Lake, a small artificial lake in the center, often surrounded by couples and kids on scooters. Number 37. The traditional dish khorvats, or Armenian barbecue, is a must-try, and every family has their own secret marinade recipe. Number 38. Yerevan is extremely walkable, with most major attractions, cafes, and nightlife spots just a short stroll apart. Number 39. The city is surrounded by ancient fortresses and monasteries, many within an hour's drive, perfect for day trips. Number 40. The local currency is the dram, and yes, you'll get a lot of delicious lavash and apricots for just a few hundred drams. Number 41. Yerevan's vernissage market is a vibrant outdoor bazaar where you can find handmade jewelry, wood carvings, paintings, and carpets. Number 42. Armenian jazz is alive and thriving in Yerevan. Check out live sets at Malkas Jazz Club, named after legendary pianist Levan Malkasian. Number 43. Armenians love chess, and Yerevan has entire chess cafes, public boards in parks, and even compulsory chess classes in schools. Number 44. The city's museums include the Matena Daran, home to over 23,000 ancient manuscripts in dozens of languages. Number 45. You can hike to a medieval observatory. Karahunj, aka the Armenian Stonehenge, is only a few hours away and older than the Egyptian pyramids. Number 46. You'll find UNESCO-listed churches just outside the city, including Etchmiadzin, the oldest cathedral in the world. Number 47. The Ararat Brandy Museum offers tastings of their finest blends and panoramic rooftop views over the city. Number 48. Yerevan is filled with open-air cafes, where locals gather for hours just to talk, people watch, and sip wine or apricot brandy. Number 49. You can ski just 30 minutes away from the city, in the snowy hills of Tsitsernakaberd during winter. Number 50. The sun sets golden behind Mount Ararat, casting a surreal glow over the pink buildings. It's not just a view, it's a feeling. Number 51. The city's botanical garden is home to over 200 rare species of plants, and in spring, it bursts into bloom. Number 52. Yerevan is older than the Armenian alphabet, which was only created in 405 AD by the monk Mesrop Maschots. Yes, there's a statue of him here. Number 53. The Armenian kachkar, intricately carved stone crosses, are everywhere in Yerevan and are completely unique to Armenian culture. Number 54. Yerevan has its own symbolic lion statue, representing strength and courage. It's a favorite spot for selfies. Number 55. The city's oldest surviving building is Katogike Church, dating back to the 13th century, hidden inside a newer church. Number 56. Yerevan's art scene is exploding, with contemporary galleries like Dilijan and Enpak showcasing modern Armenian talent. Number 57. The city is an epic wedding destination for locals. Expect honking car convoys, flower arches, and dance-offs in public squares. Number 58. Armenian duduk music, which fills the streets during festivals, is on UNESCO's Intangible Cultural Heritage list. It's hauntingly beautiful. Number 59. Yerevan's opera house is not just for opera, it's the heart of culture, hosting dance shows, concerts, and even movie nights. Number 60. In winter, Republic Square turns into a festive dream with ice skating rinks and holiday lights. Number 61. Armenian wine dates back over 6,000 years, and today, Yerevan is home to some of the trendiest wine bars in the Caucasus. Number 62. Locals believe that apricots are sacred, and Yerevan celebrates with an annual apricot festival full of jams, drinks, and music. Number 63. And last, but certainly not least, Armenians say Yerevan is the heart of the Armenian world. Once you visit, you'll feel it too. And that's a wrap. 63 incredible and inspiring facts about the soulful, vibrant, and endlessly fascinating city of Yerevan. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give us a like. And please, share your views and opinions with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest adventures on Europe in Detail. Thank you so much for watching our video today, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.